Hey, what is up? Let's break down some plank jacks, okay? Taking this standard plank, core strong, locking it down, and adding a little dynamic movements to it. So here we go. Hands under shoulders. You can also do this elbows under shoulders. Your choice. Core strong. Head, shoulders, hips, knees, ankles straight in the line. And we're jumping those feet in and out. Boom, 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 boom. Okay? Stack the hands under the shoulders. Shoulders on top of the hands. Core strong. I don't want to see hips bouncing and sagging. Okay? The core should be under control of that. We need to modify this. Tap in, tap out. Tap in, tap out. Okay? Keeping that core strong. Again, you can go elbows on this and keep it nice and strong. If you want to bump this up, jack it up progression, you can take this into a push-up. Okay? So you've got the jumping in, jumping out with the feet, and then when you jump out, boom, jump into a push-up and challenge yourself from there. There's your plank, jack, get after it, get that core stronger, and have some fun. We'll see you soon.